Nice to meet you. But the dance instructor is public knowledge. The police, undercover. Nice to meet you, Miss Jane. Will you excuse me? I go to my party.
All right. Bless you, Crystal.
Oh, Crystal, ask Annie to make me a drink, please. She know my special.
No problem.
So,
Question. Pastor, last time you stand up and give it right.
oh, not to worry. These are part of the same team. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I will make sure I introduce you. No worries, sir. Yeah, man. Oh, just so you know, I already put out the word that no strange face, nowhere in the community. You understand? So, not to worry. We are tight in the place. Tight as a sardine.
King man, you have to govern the community. You can't have a repeat of the same thing, especially the people them under woman and wings and this, you know.
Shady. Because me did always have a negative feeling in my gut about you there, you know. Could have been myself. I should have checked it out deeper.
So go, my brother. We live, we learn. Right? Once bitten, twice shy.
Anyway, you see when you get jealous of my version savage. That's the right man for the job. You see something never that job. Results like that.
King man, I have to thank him for this. You need to see me, I have to thank him personally. You know what you did for me, I have to do for myself.
Don't worry. You'll probably see him sooner than you think. Because as a matter of fact, he's supposed to forward up here today. And me and him supposed to have a reason still. You see it?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Now the event come out this Thursday coming.
Yeah.
And as we explained to you about the trip from your plan, now you gather and get me some support. Because I see the proceeds from the event, I hit never use and monitor the trade. And I want it bigger and better than anything I ever keep in other community before.
Don't worry yourself. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go as far as invite the other community there under my portfolio so you get that support. Because this is something we need to do. You see me?
Oh, King man, another thing. I thank you because talk to Mr. Savage, you know, I'm willing to come and assist me with the added security for the trade. So I really appreciate you.
Well, you know, sir, anything at all I can do to make it work. Speak of the devil. There, man. It's a joy.
Yeah, man.
It's a joy.
Miss Jen?
So Savage, you deserve more than a shake. You deserve a hug.
I'm gonna just stop a little while.
What?
This is a savage up over my mind.
You see that, bro?
I'm not blind, I just come out and see them at Ogo. You tell me say you not see?
I never see that. But you and moi, see I'm blind, you're deaf. Yeah?
I'm going to see you now, but me with this.